You've got Looksmaxing. Young teens are getting misled, taking steroids, taking trend, and they're getting all of this media attention. And they think that they're doing something positive, something good, because the voices of reason have kept quiet. Most of the influencers right now in fitness are taking steroids, or they've taken steroids in the past. A few have sort of been helping and encouraging people to stop taking steroids, like Greg Doucette. But most have taken steroids, or they lie about it. And people already know that they're lying about it. They're not being honest about the effects of steroids. Come on, guys. What are we doing? For what? That is what you call selling out. Because all these people that are coaching teens, they're not coaches. They're not coaches. They're dealers. They're dealers because they're not teaching them what actually matters when it comes to health and fitness. Let's look at what's going on. Let's just take a peek. Let's see what's going on because this is getting out of hand. This is getting out of hand.
If your teenage son is on social media and he could be following so-called Looksmaxers. Now, some of these personalities dole out potentially.
Okay, so first off, I'm skeptical about media, any news that comes into the mainstream media, because I'm like, okay, what's about to happen here? Because you can also see the angle that they're going with the mainstream media when they catch this, they're taking the route of potentially censoring people because you're saying teens are being exposed to certain influences and certain content. Mind you, sure, but I don't think that's the solution. They need to be educated. They need to learn. They need to be educated so that they can make better decisions. The solution is not to say, okay, no, don't do something. It's teach them so that they can make a decision not to do that thing so that they think for themselves. Teach them how to think. Don't think for them and make decisions for them. That is the problem. That is the issue.
Dangerous advice on achieving extreme body
What's hiding underneath
Okay,
tells
let's see. Let's
from North
let's move
Texas.
here. Let's move here. Let's see.
hiding underneath tells a different story. 16-year-old Zaid Laila is a high school student from suburban Dallas and drawn into a viral trend. Why?
High school student, a viral trends is drawn into it. Look, millions of views because of what he's doing. That's what social media is rewarding.
I wait 10 years to like reach a physique when I wait 10 years to like reach a physique when I can do it in less than a year.
Laila shared
Why wait 10 years to achieve a physique when I can do it in less than a year? You're in high school, dude. You're in high school. Like, what you don't even work. You're going to school. What are you doing? Like, you don't even know what you want to do in life. You don't know what you want to do in life. Like, what are you doing?
this photo from early 2024 when he was 15 years old. Since then, he's documented his transformation. How does a 16-year-old look like this?
A lot of steroids and a lot of working out, honestly.
Steroids.
16. 16. 16. A lot of steroids. He's not working out anything. Yeah, maybe sure he's going to the gym, he's training, sure. 16. This is dangerous. For starters, his hormones are already increasing. He's hitting puberty. He hasn't reached his full potential. He's still peaking naturally with his natural test. He doesn't have a full beard. Maybe he doesn't grow a full one, but come on. He's a kid. Look at his face. Now he looks like he's like 25. He's not 16 anymore. He's aged. He's like, okay, why should I wait till I'm 25? Let me just do it now. Dude, your organs also have a lifespan. Your organs have a lifespan. You reduce that lifespan. You get to that number faster. Man,